Cut the vinyl plank precisely to fit around the bathroom floor vent so airflow and appearance are both preserved. Begin by removing the vent cover and measuring the vent opening from inside the room with a tape measure, noting the distance from the planked edge to each side of the opening, and transfer those measurements to the plank you will install. Use a chalk perimeter to mark the vent outline on the plank, aligning the chalk marks to the face of the plank that will be visible, and include the necessary gap for expansion specified by the manufacturer, usually a small fraction of an inch, by drawing a slightly larger outline. For inside corners, drill pilot holes through the chalked area so the jigsaw blade can enter without splitting the plank. Use a fine-tooth blade rated for laminates or vinyl to reduce chipping. Cut slowly with steady feed and minimal lifting, keeping the saw base flat on the plank to maintain a straight cut and avoid tearing the plank backing. Dry fit the cut piece, checking that the plank sits level and the vent opening remains unobstructed so airflow is not restricted. If the opening is tight, trim small amounts with a utility knife or a sanding block designed for vinyl until the fit is correct. Once satisfied, apply the adhesive or locking method recommended for your product. Secure the plank in place, reinstall the vent cover, and confirm the vent sits flush and the cover screws align without compressing the flooring. Common mistakes include cutting the vent too small and choking airflow, which you prevent by adding the manufacturer recommended expansion gap when marking the perimeter. Another issue is splintering or chipping the plank edge during cutting, so drill pilot holes for interior cuts and use a fine-tooth jigsaw blade while cutting slowly and supporting the plank to minimize vibration. A third frequent problem is misalignment with the vent cover screw locations, so always dry, fit the vent cover after cutting and before final installation and adjust the cut, so screw holes line up without forcing the cover or stressing the plank. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives both parties a place to post projects and find work that matches skills and needs. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn practical techniques like cutting vinyl plank around vents from people who have done it.